Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to show you how to change language on Snapchat running on iPhone. As you can see, if you go into the Snapchat settings, you have an option to change your language there. But once you tap on it, it basically advises you to go into the settings. So let me show you how. Open up your settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and find Snapchat. Tap on it. Now on this page, in the preferred language, tap on language. As you can see, it has defaulted to English UK or it will be English US. You can scroll down and choose your preferred languages. Once you have selected the language, go back to the home screen and open up your Snapchat app. You'll notice some of your text will appear in the language you've chosen, but most of the titles and buttons will still show in English. Once you see that, that means you have successfully changed the language on your Snapchat. And that is how to change language on Snapchat app running on an iPhone. Before you go, don't forget to like this video as it really helps the algorithm, and please consider subscribing if you found this video useful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.